Damage like this can happen anywhere. Fixing them is expensive and a new paint job can cost a small fortune. Introducing Renumax, the scratch remover that'll save your car and your money. It's one of the fastest, easiest ways to eliminate expensive scratches, scrapes and scuff marks. Just apply Renumax directly to the scratch surface. Wait a few minutes and the scratches will almost disappear as if by magic. Watch again. Even large superficial scuff marks are no match for Renumax. Simply apply and let it dry. And it's just like new again. No sanding, polishing or buffing. In fact, you don't even have to wipe. Renumax does all the work for you, producing a hands-free shine. The secret of Renumax is in its revolutionary and effective formula that fills any scratch or scrape with millions of microparticles, then dries in minutes to produce a smooth, clean, scratch-free shine that helps you protect your car for years. Keep one in your car so it's ready when you need it. Renumax will work wonders on any colour vehicle and all kinds of surfaces. Cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, motorhomes and more. Other products only work on small, thin scratches. But with Renumax, even the largest superficial scratches are no problem. No need for cloth rags that waste expensive product. The convenient applicator sponge spreads Renumax evenly over a wide area and even curved surfaces like a side view mirror in one fast, easy treatment. So don't pay a collision shop big money to sand and paint over scratches and scrapes. Save your car and your money. Renumax does all the work for you. Buy yours now.